Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Monzo app keeps stopping. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Monzo app, then tap on app info option, and then tap on storage usage option on the top, and now tap on clear cache, and then tap on clear data, and now OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this app and open Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option in the bottom right corner, then tap on search bar on the top, and here type Monzo, and now search it. So here you will see the update button option, so update this app to the latest version. This will fix the stopping issue for you. So I hope this video will help you. Thanks.